My topic for today is how to create the site. Okay, site component, topo surface. Okay, for example, I have this sample plans, and I will click it in the site. Okay, site. Now after the site, you will go to massing and site. You will see the topo surface or property line. Okay, we will start of course in the property line. If we have you want a boundary or the crookie property line, click create by sketching or create by entering distance and bearing. Here in Revit, the type of what you will input here is the entering distance and bearing. If you have here distance and bearing in your crookie, so you can insert it and it will come out on your plans. So now I do not have this one, so I will use the create by sketching. So create by sketching, for example, I have this simple rectangular shape. Okay, so this is your property line. Okay, now next thing to do is, for example, I need to create a topography or topo surface from this area. You just click this one, massing and site. We are still here, massing topo surface. I click place point, create from import, or simply surface. Our topic for today is place point, but if you want to create from import, it's from CAD file or in surveying land survey or what you call file, you get from there and you can import, but there is no imported elements on document, so we will not use this one. So place a point, so place a point, I click here 1 2. See, when I place the point and 3 vertices, okay, then 1 segment, 2, 3 segments, will become one shape. So if I click here, it will become one whole shape. When I click here, check, and I go to realistic, this one will become what? This one will become a soil or a brown color. Okay, so if I click this one, I can edit the category, create new material, click this one, asset browser, appearance, library, site work, we have Bermuda grass, apply, so that is apply. Okay, so it immediately changed into Bermuda grass. Okay, next thing to do is, for example, I have this kind of shape. Okay, and I will edit again, edit surface. You will see the point. Okay, the point 1 2 3 4 points. So if I click this point is 0 elevation. You can change this one if you want to go higher. For example, I click this one, I change this one into 2000, apply. So there is a division, so meaning to say that this one is higher than, this point is higher than 2000. When I go to west elevation, it's just like that. So that is your surface of your land. So if you are trying to create a design on a mountain, so just get the topo surface of that one, and then you can change this one. For example, I have this one, I make this one 0, and you have mountainous area from here. I will edit again, place point 1 2 3, for example this 3. I will click this one here and then I'll make this one 3000, and it will gradually make like that. So something like that. So because these 3 points are higher than the other points, so this one elevation, click, you will see the elevation. Okay, so for example, in the section, so if I have the ground floor level, and then check this one, going back to the plans, I will create some. For example, I have this kind of section. As you can see, if you will see in the section, okay, this is your ground floor plan. Okay, wait, I'll go here because split the segment. So you can see that, and I go to the, it's just the mountain feel or the soil filled your room inside, no? So how you can remove that one? So go to the NGL, okay, NGL or ground level, okay. So you will go here in building pad, click building pad, massing and site again, building pad, and then you can create this kind of okay, actually it's outside, no? It's outside the building. PR. See, the soil inside the building already removed. If I click this one, it's already removed, but this one is must be, because I created this one into NGL, I make this one apply. Okay, so before it was filled with the soil, but now it's already removed because of building pad. Now if I want to remove also other parts of the soil from here, or topo surface from here, you can edit the go to building pad again, and you can add more, okay, to edit this one. So that's it for building pad and topo surface.